Welcome to Gear Lab, where innovation meets adrenaline. Today, we're diving into 20 elite gadgets that will turn you from just prepared into unstoppable. Whether you're a weekend hunter, a home defender, or a global explorer, these Amazon finds are designed to give you the edge in power, protection, and precision. Stay locked in, because number 14 will blow your mind, and number 1 might just change the way you think about personal safety forever. A compact hunter's dream. This .22 caliber PCP rifle delivers laser accuracy at 700 FPS. Smooth 7-shot rotary mag, whisper quiet, and perfect for small game or backyard precision. Built for those who demand power in a lightweight frame. Click the link and make your next shot count. When size shrinks but power stays brutal, meet the .50 caliber hammer Carbine. Fires 350 grain rounds at 820 FPS, delivering 523 foot-pounds of raw takedown force. Hunting big game? This is your ticket. Ergonomics meet beast mode performance. 1000 FPS in .25 caliber with adjustable stock, cheek riser, and trigger, so it fits you, not the other way around. 5-year warranty, confidence built in. The Slingshot your childhood self wished existed. Stainless steel, green laser sight, adjustable pull up to 99 centimeters. And steel balls screaming at 300 FPS. Survivalist, this one's a silent hunter's best friend. Pocket-sized Guardian Angel. Fires a debilitating gel up to 20 feet, blinding attackers for an hour, without lasting harm. Legal in most states, trusted by police. Bonus, a 120 decibels alarm to scare off threats instantly. A CO2 power .68 caliber non-lethal launcher that means business. Up to 60 feet effective range, multiple projectile types, and no background check needed. Comes with mags, CO2, ammo, the works. 415 FPS of crossbow perfection. AccuSlide cocking and decocking system means silent, safe operation. Built in America, lifetime warranty. Lightest and fastest turbo series yet. 415 FPS of crossbow perfection. AccuSlide cocking and decocking system means silent, safe operation. Built in America, lifetime warranty. Lightest and fastest turbo series yet. Steel BBS or .177 pellets, your choice. Full metal realism, 500 FPS power, and a snub nose for quick draw fun. Whether for training or target shooting, it's a blast. Literally. Iconic MP5 design, semi-auto BB fun. 40-round mag, blowback action, and CO2 power for non-stop plinking. The perfect blend of tactical feel and backyard entertainment. Semi-auto or full auto, your call. Huge 580cc carbon fiber tank, high capacity mag, and precision rifle barrel. Bundle includes targets and pellets, so you're range ready out of the box. 30-round rapid pellet mag, 700 FPS, and an AR style build that feels right in your hands. Whether for training or pest control, it's SIG's reputation in airgun form. 19-round mag-fed non-lethal launcher, 300 plus FPS, Picatinny rails, and military styling. Switch from home defense to training mode in seconds. 150 foot-pounds per shot in a compact bullpup design. Walther barrel for sniper-level precision. Predator control. This is the answer. Old-school break barrel meets modern Magnum power. Woodstock beauty with serious knockdown performance. No tanks, no CO2, just pure spring piston muscle. Family-friendly aero fun at 300 FPS. Lightweight, easy to handle, and CO2 powered for simple shooting. Great for backyard archery sessions. Take your fishing next level. Air-powered bow fishing with saltwater-resistant build. Includes fiberglass arrow with broadhead, reel mount, and 65 shots per fill. Full auto fun with included pellets and 100 paper targets. Large capacity tank for extended range time. Tactical look, ready to customize. Perfect for teaching young shooters. Lightweight, 16.5 pounds cocking effort, fiber optic sights, and built-in safety. Start them off right. The king of air rifles. 705 foot-pounds from a 550 grain slug. Lightspeed valve tech, carbon fiber tank, and enough stopping power for the toughest hunts. There you have it, to 20 Amazon powerhouses for survival, defense, and adventure in 2025. These aren't toys. They're tools. Tools that give you control, confidence, and capability in any situation. All the links are below. Every click helps support Gear Lab so we can keep finding the gear that matters most. Tell us in the comments, which of these would you trust in the wild or in your home? Hit that subscribe, smash that like, and ring the bell so you never miss the gear that gives you the edge. This is Gear Lab. Stay sharp. Stay ready.